To the most I give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Watch a movie. I'm not too much long talking today because we now want pensive mood. Let's go. Watch a movie. I tell me what you think about it. Enough respect. Big up everybody who I support the thing from that time till this time. Them nice sweet about that when you movie they see it yeah. Take care and watch it. Why? We're going to talk about it when you're done. Yeah. Curry. Tell about the better pack. No, you see China then down with the better pack. Every day you love better pack curry. What they cook the better pack curry straight from China. Run my belly. Me no want no more of that. And you laugh panta pie. Me tell you something say you're not Tanya. You have to go left. Because if you make my belly at me and you laugh, you could have killed me. I have the right remedy in there. You have to just beat it up and use it. The tambaric. You have to use tambaric. You want better pack because you want easy done. Because it's ready already. Instant curry. But you could take the tambaric and beat it, put it in the sun and make it dry and
so
use it.
So make you not beat it.
But
teamwork make it dream work.
Teamwork make dream work?
Yes.
When me depend on the scheme of work, I don't see how work. When me all carry the money come work and watch me. The last time I carry up and work, every if I black up, you not help me. But make me see a girl a cock up. Yo, what you look on? How you look on? Mama, you can't carry out. No. You know come out to watch me. When you come and check and walk. So me now walk.
So you go pay me for the day, you there talk.
All when you now walk, you still a get paid.
Me ever walk. Me ever dey walk.
Me tell you one thing. You're my baby mother. You're my baby mother. And I rate it to the maximum. But me think say, just like you like everything done easy, me think say you have a breakfast.
What kind of breakfast?
You hear the song bye bye yo? Bye bye yo. Don't cry yo. Breakfast. It means the relationship done. Break shop. Me think so right by now. Me think so by now. Really and truly. I know certain things now, I'm not too talk. I know what you do, smart and quiet.
What who I do?
Girl, I know what you do and quiet.
No, so you want to clean food restaurant. You cook for you, I clean for you, everything for you. I know you are going to tell me about miracle. Eh?
You have been doing something and I know the new person in your life.
Me know nobody in my life and I can't tell no life about me. People have friends.
That the friend there? You think say you're smart, you know?
Me not think say I'm smart, I'm smart.
Me know. So you see your friend?
Which friend?
For the right amount of money, she give you a secret. You see the secret phone where you give her for wall? She make me see now. The phone where you take my money buy and make your friend keep you in yard when you go in yard to chat to the man. Panny? Send text Panny, send picture Panny. You see. So now, I don't want to get up in the morning.
You sure say, on my phone?
Listen to me. I say, you's on it, the body's on it, and everything is on it.
You sure say on my body?
Mama,
After
me and you there. Too much ears now, me know your body, all your birthmark them. And all of the style them that are sell of a set, me see you set it with people them because you have video with you and them other things. You're not smart. So now, it's not about the curry alone, everything boil up. This is when you do for your thing, me there do my thing, so me just make it go on. Because we have a picnic, if the picnic see it, me there say right. But right now, I don't think so that's supposed to keep the relationship going. I think so you should be going.
I did a plan for you anyways. Because I actually baby come already. And that's why I'm still there. For baby safe. But anyway, try remember say, when me did that work, I buy appliance and put in this house here. So I hope you can know woman in this house here. Or else a man ras in this. If you say joke me and me. Me go you know. Go.
You're still there though. You go. You're still there. You're still there though.
But no woman up here. I just see this guy just sir. I don't talk.
Here. Now let's let's style. Do not run from each other in the back them. See when we take you up there about something. But at least you can't tell nobody say me no buy your things. Baby things in there. So stay with me some my time, stay with my time. Show up our grandmother now. When she come later. Alright, so JAMMIWOOD, when buy me birthday, I don't want it. You take it go on with it.
But me no want it, man.
No, I don't want it. This year, take this out too.
I might give that me go
yeah, take it.
That too. I want it, take it down.
Mama.
And me did buy.
No, if you take back this year, you take back the back lemon and say rock. I mean, you're not drinking Guinness. And then sitting there. And every look at thing, will take back everything for you. So let that alone.
You give me back this, so I want back this one.
Listen me, I say now. I say I want that in my room. The baby love look panic. Alright? After the baby sick, you did it.
No, woman up here. And you're going to know if a baby sleep, make it up here.
Alright.
And literally coat.
You can't help. So you're fine. Some way, move your luggage there.
Hello. You look dirty for rest time and I put me out.
You're bright. I beard my beard and I'll put the dirty one time. The face it.
You have to come help me with the bag and sit them, you know, because you throw it all of my bang around them. Alright. I'll come home. Yeah.
Right and face about dirty foot rasta. I'm going to be there now. You never know, so my foot dirty. We live in a bedroom much time. Bright and face it. Erika. Erika. Mama.
Oi.
Knock knock. Sit down. Oh, no, come in fire, no come in. More get them out there to you.
So we are going so far. You want me to come out of that place now, me have come out here.
Go on outside now fast, I'm seeing them here. I'm a general, so I go there alone. I feel like one. No, we want it, you're not going to play. I'm not going to do things from top right, so until you use your watch it off first. Hold it.
We don't like your style, we don't try to talk them.
He can't cook, so hope you can't teach him to cook.
You're too lying.
Man, he can't cook though. I give him curry if he look bout and he run the belly. So anyway, but he can't breathe. He have picnic. And What thing do to me, what do you same thing to you, but you forget it. You know, we don't chat.
What go on, Glenn?
Well, I go on, I go on this exercise, you know, I go.
Me say you and such woman break up.
Yeah, man, good while ago now, man, good while.
Eh.
It's just final, man, already, so, man, you don't know.
And she not tell me them something then. You know, I'm not there from what day, I'm there foreign.
How far you go?
No, but watch it there.
Alright. You know, see, I feel a while for real though, but I ain't there, I ain't good. Oh, you go check already?
Yeah, me good on there, you know.
She good?
She do some washing.
Alright, tell me how long she good, sir. Yeah, man, for real.
Babes, see what you already say about.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But me a good on still.
Yeah, man, see my new woman here. You know?
Oh, she look good though.
She look better than your friend, not you?
Kinda.
Alright, I used to sound on me.
Later, me a good on.
Alright, my friend.
Yeah, later.
She sister did that say she married now. Finally settled down. Very nice. I beg so we didn't come my wedding, not you?
But I did have work for you, so we could.
I'm going to work so well.
Is it done?
Yeah, babes. Soon done, man. I just look her. Now when I put the good icing on the cake, so I can spark them here. Soon done, man.
So you want for dinner?
Surprise me. Like when you surprise me, you know.
No problem, I will. Done?
Yeah, babes. Soon done, man. I just look her. Now when I put the good icing on the cake, so I can spark them here. Soon done, man.
So you want for dinner?
Surprise me. Like when you surprise me, you know.
No problem, I will. No problem. I will not say. Mosquito in here, me bombi.
Okay, when you buy it, you know what I mean.
You know, that looks. Just go and relax then, you know.
Alright, babes. Want something to drink?
Mariko!
Oh, girl.
Mariko!
Come in.
Come from where I shop now?
Me
Good night.
Good night.
Come here for go out the door?
Me a come shanty one too.
Alright.
Me not take long.
I road, you know.
Yeah, me soon come back.
Why you love road to your friend, you always have to take care of her.
No one not take me, so I want to do.
But that's long, you know.
Not still on.
I'll make sure your phone active.
Phone always active.
Is that what you do?
Yeah, man, later.
Alright, but that's long.
Me say, Gally, me grown at the boy yard. Girl, me grown at the boy yard. And me go call him, make a girl hide, you know. So the girl come out, take on. Babe, see the water, you want to see the cup where you give the boy the water in, and me know sure say if you did it, it'll clean up your place. And, you know, see the boy. How would that girl here, the boy don't want answer. So me tell the girl, step to me now. And the girl come out and talk about, be a better woman. Yeah, no, but be a better woman. I'm saying, girl, step. You want to see the girl fat too? You, at that man really left you for?
Right now, me want to go round there.
Yeah, girl, me have to go round there.
No, me want to go round there.
You want to see girl too? You want to see her when the man just stand up someone about I'm about him exercise so and that he wants to see the man like a fuck her grow on the girl. You must say to the man so like that shop.
Come here, right now.
look like him, but you know, girl, me nah go for it. Girl, but you just go and go know the girl by yourself. Although me come tell you everything, although me have proof, but me you go know the girl by yourself.
You know, so you feel bagga you fit up this.
Just listen to me, go and know a girl by yourself.
I'm gonna listen to your feelings.
But anything girl you call me have your back.
I know say I'm about later. But me go around then.
Nobody go on with nothing around there.
Nah, go on with nothing. Go on by your business. What I'm saying.
After my come tell them.
It was a good workout, babe. I'm going to try and go down. Catch on some water and one big jug of water. Yeah? Drive, not drive, so I'm not to cannot shut. I'm just jump in the car and just make somebody pass it find nice. What you want to do, baby? Yeah.
Yeah, one drinks.
Alright. Any drinks?
I'm gonna come back.
Ah. Alright, babe.
Alright. How would that? How would I take a Glenroy? No, sir. Hi, good night. My Glenroy there.
May Glenroy keep away? Come here and ask the Glenroy for.
Because this is my place. I can't feel proud with you. You painting here for me, you like them in here for me. But anyways, where they?
But the girl is not easy. Girl, if I did your place, a man would have put you out in the first place.
Who tell us put me?
So you need to go back to the trenches where you belong.
Back up.
I come here on my face, girl. You know, sister Glenroy no want you.
Back up. Relax your nerves. Glenroy tell you that. But when you see me, a different thing. Because you can't resist nothing. Yes, sir. And by the way, where you come from? And all I'm going to talk for?
That and not something where you for worry about. No worry about that. Make me and Glenroy worry about it. You need to take your little dwarf self and come out of my place.
I'm here to talk to you?
Girl.
I'm a tough fact. I don't know about that day nothing tonight. I left you for your next day. But remember this. You know that myself. It's just a start.
So, the girl don't know what own me.
Babe. I mean.
Who that? Oh, babes. Oh, babes, how you take so long?
I'm going to go all up down there, man. Tell the boy buy one drinks here. Look at the boy. Go. You know, I know I feel that way about you now. And this is the boy too.
Come here, I wonder what kind of kids drinks this, but I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Mama said I'm not going to any place because I never know shirt, so I'm just tell you to buy any drinks. And
babes, you see me on this? Your baby mother, the baby mother drama business, it not going to work.
What are you talking about?
Me there, you watch show. And your baby mother, me see, come. Your baby mother coming up.
But the baby don't have yard, what she doing?
Want to come war me off. And how we not done and this and that and she help you by apply and this for the place and you understand what I say? Me and it not gonna work.
Look at that.
You understand what I say?
Yeah, I understand.
None of me ex them nah interfere with you. And your baby mother and me respect her.
America,
Yeah.
where you come up on my yard for girl?
You can't tell me what to do?
Listen me. Remember saying I live here so I can live with the man, you know, so me have to have my local choice, you know, thing one do. Now me get this nice, lovely girl and having a house up a yard and yeah, come and contaminate her.
Hello, are you run me out of the house, you know? So anything more and do me can do.
Listen, you live a house with man, you have the man long time when you live a house with me. Girl, do not ramp me in my relationship. You understand? You have my baby mother, anything baby want, you check on that the base is there. Alright? So me I say to you now, don't come back up here unless me tell you to come back up here.
You can't tell me that. Anytime
don't
you
talk,
come
you know,
up
but take a restraining order out pan you know. That means if my woman want broke your backside, she dep on the good part of the law. You continue. Don't come up here and tell you to come up here. That girl let me know in time, man. In the torment. But babes, that no me have no ex, no supposed to come man no ex night and mash up a relationship. Yeah? I'm sorry, I apologize, but that still come here and tell us say, yo, everything go good. And now see
The
man.
girl just walk past me like you're not in a business or something. Tell me from now.
You wanna sure if you get a mad certificate, but you never work out. Me there try to get it.
So mad woman did do with?
Well, she never fully mad. She maybe quarter. But she good still. But sometimes she does wrong weird shit. You know what I mean? So
Then I just make sure it's safe. Hey, baby man, in a deal this guy. We see she barging at this house like she have all rights.
hear me and say no. Nothing like that, hear me? Nothing like that.
Alright. Yes, so.
What are you differently?
No, nothing. My heart so interesting.
I know me I sweat so. You just work out to look like you all have the sweat not come out on me. So wait. I think I will shower again, you know?
Alright. Hurry up and come chill.
Ah.
Alright, mama baby, me go carry your father. So make your father carry guy sports day. Me have some business I sort out, so your father go carry. Give them clip here if you put them in your ear. You hear? Alright.
But mommy, if you not kill me, and if you my daddy kill me, my stepmother not kill me.
Your stepmother go carry him. No stepmother not carry him. And your father go carry him. Tell your father say, me say, and him fi carry him. You hear?
If you not kill me, you gonna thump him.
No, I'm good at son. Alright. Soon reach.
Daddy. Yeah, come mommy. We want to go to sports here.
Oh, I'll put on just smile. You see? I lie. But you know, we're kind of tired, man. Yeah?
Yeah.
So, I ask your stepmom to bring you, right? So she gonna bring you. You have some bubbles here. I'll go for your house, how?
Blue house.
Blue house. Alright, me a cheer for blue house, but look here. You see when I go there today, want you be for your best behavior. You hear me?
Yeah.
And do not tell your mother. Say how your stepmother bring you. Alright?
Yeah.
You keep that to yourself. Make sure, babes, fix up right there and care. Yeah, come on to my son.
Oh, I'm going to go for the road anyways, you know. So what way? So for the car gas first here?
Yeah, I'm going to go.
Alright.
Take money off I just
Alright? I'm putting some quick in the ear.
It's a house, a blue house, yeah.
Then you see you two are in the same color white.
Yeah.
When we reach a sports, then I have to go buy one blue handband or something. You sure say a blue house me a cheer for, right? Okay. So dear, I sure say our mother not gonna have one problem.
I'm going to go up, man. You go talk.
No.
She not tell her mother, man.
You don't see that.
Later.
Don't tell my mother. Daddy, don't tell my mother.
Now try to sleep. Tell me now, you want to go? Or you want to go? Alright, you keep them watching if you want to go. Go on.
It's hot, so we're going to go over there. Right? So we're going to find where blue house is.
No, it's your house.
Yeah, we're going to find the tent for blue house. So come on.
We are watching food in it because you know you're treating nice son. Nah man. You understand? I treat a nice son. Is it? I treat a nice son. Good.
I'm tired now, man. Let's go home. So I can't drag it with the answer. No, get an yeah, little girl. When you come to me with, our father asked me for care because you're never available. So why problem? Eh? You're not why problem?
Yeah, father, listen to me. What are you going to do? I'm father, I said, we carry him. I never asked you to carry him. I did ask her, you have a father and you have a mother. By the way, where your father then?
Are you a baby daddy?
Anyway,
you know when they
tell him say me and him are going to have a talk. Me come back up here.
you have time to come to pick the door, you never have time to care picking guys sports here. Damn, I don't know what to tell you. See.
Babe, how many people I could have wanted at my time now, man? My friend, sir. Alright. Hello.
Fire.
What go on?
You can do something for me.
What time now?
Pick up a baby at school. I'm busy on the road, you have to go pick her up.
Yo, I some look work me there, you know, but my daughter still. Alright, know yourself, come I have to try.
Oi, and I make a woman go for my pitney. And you myself go pick up my pitney. Cause other day, me tell her to carry baby go sports there, your woman miss with my pitney and next
Listen
time no time if you not listen.
The woman is half for me. She represent me. She not nothing baby. I watch her with the baby, you know. Where you going, so?
Fire. And you myself go pick up a baby. And me done talk. Later.
Alright. Alright, baby alone in school?
Yes. Hurry up and go on.
Alright. Tia. Babe. Go pick up my daughter in school from there. Sorry for wake you up. Because I have to finish a project I pick my weight pan. I'm weight pan this one. I can't leave it. I need the money right now. If I don't do this, I can't collect the money. I need the money.
So, now her mother want her mother?
Her mother just called me a while ago, so she left on the road. And with a man here, she dead. She don't do that. Yeah man, grow the fast because school won't hurry. Because she pick up the baby this evening, she called me. Exactly upon the time when she called me too. Look when time she called me. Exactly. 1 minute after 3 she called me. So if I can do it faster, please. So I'm money out of the jar too. So if I can buy her something. I know she go want water, she go want this, she go want juice. Make you feel good.
Alright, babes, me do that.
Alright. Because she want suck and she want to little juice them and thing, alright?
Alright, babes.
Alright,
Yeah. You come here in a tea.
Hurry up, man, hurry up.
Are you alright, doing?
You never have a time to come pick up your penny. I set up this. What you on fire up to?
Come out, yawa. Me didn't know me man did tell.
No, me have no time fire. Set me to the assault me.
Come. Leave me, pick me alone.
Hello, fire.
Listen to me. Anytime I see that woman come to you, you then say, stepmother, no go with him. You hear what me say?
Yeah.
Stay away there until me come. My mind, they tell me say this, they don't have me, you know. And that's why me.
Hello, fire. What kind of thing that you're going with?
What you talk about now?
What do you mean by what me talk about?
I don't understand nothing else. What kind of thing I do? You baby there?
Our mother come for her. I come out of the school compound and I reach at the side of the road. They walk to go look taxi. And the mother missy come for her. In an argument with me, I grab back from me and I can't take a drama and I can't take the baby mother drama.
B, nothing like that, man. Just come. I talk to that woman there, you know. She come pick up baby. Maybe I miss you want to see then.
This coming like a setup road.
No worry yourself. Just come back home. Come back
if this
home.
a baby mother drama, you go continue. Me go left here, you know.
Come home, babe.
Are you me combo? Come on, Nesso. Come here, I'm bad with Ron Nesso. Come on, Nesso. Yeah, come to me, are now?
What you want, girl?
It seems like the first time I never get a one. So I go get a one. You see, when I call my baby father to pick up my pitney from school, I can pick me go sports day. I'm a baby father, I want to carry him. You understand? I don't want you to pick up your I don't know how I want to up your son. I don't want you to pick up your the son can be pitney like say after your pitney. Ever push out a pitney for your bag? Eh? I'm my baby father. So anytime I call him phone and he want to carry my pitney. I don't want you to carry my pitney. You understand?
Girl, furthermore, you need to take up this with your baby father. You understand what I say? Every time I meet you, I come attack like I meet you have strength for. Me love Glen Rye, so me have to love the child too. Me not do nothing for hurt your pitney, you know. Me not do nothing for hurt your pitney, so why problem? Why problem? You know?
Me no want no stepmother for to take care of my pitney. Me can't take care of my pitney myself. That's why I have a father, not doing father, and them alright, in foot them alright, in 2 years them alright. If he knows saying if he can't do it, if he tell me saying he can't do it, let me get somebody else to do it. You understand?
Well, let me tell you something. Anyway, how me can help that little girl, me go fill in and help her. So you go drop them and dead.
I last one in this. I know you're feeling for me pitney, you have your mother and your father, and the argument done. You understand?
Girl, everything you talk, I go through one is and come through next. Go on your
Next
yard.
time you see with me pitney, you go
Like
see which
your
God you serve. You are going to see which God you
I
serve.
jealous how the little girl love me.
My pitney don't like
You
you.
always spend time with the little girl. You
Don't worry
alright?
about that. Right.
You know where Glen Rye get her from.
Hey, hello, me say me tired of your picnic, man. Me tired of your picnic, man. That me want to tell you.
Yeah, the way I do review on us.
What's your cousin one?
Where I do on us.
Glenn, me still call you about. Me just take a walk because me just stress out and me can't bother.
I am mad, yeah? I am mad.
I don't know a laughing thing or no mad in you. Actually, I don't even know what me I go through in my yard. You know. Me just tired and just can't bother no more.
Wow.
You might know me there with. I've one baby mother. I've one baby mother with it. Every minute it come like it man one problem in my life. A man will beg me do something for you pick me and he come like say a girl no want me do nothing for you. What kind of cross is this for me?
You know this, sir?
Wow, I want me to say something.
You know this? No, this girl come down and come take for my man in our house and my bill. Every minute I go for me pick me from school like say I feel him pick me. Every time me I feel the one in my time said leave me pitney alone. He have him man already. Why my bother me pitney? Every time me back up on my pitney school and she and me pitney. Why? Me can't me baby father if pick up my pitney, she gonna pick up my pitney like say I feel him pitney.
I don't want to get into this, you know. I don't understand this.
Me and her baby father they know. No, we know. Me and the man live together. Imagine if a man asks me to go for him picnic from school, me not have a right to go for the child. Me not harm the child in a no way. And this little butter ears girl every minute I come in an argument with me. You understand what I say?
A butter ears girl really call me a while ago? No,
girl.
butter. Alright, girl, watch me. Watch me.
What she do? Watch Jutta.
Jutta, come out here.
Yo, easy off of them foolish, man. No, nothing like that can go on yourself.
Watch me. Jutta, come out here. Jutta, come out here. The girl go on like say. In fact, you're sure sitting to the air girl and connect in your forehead, you know. Watch me. Come out here, Jutta. Jutta, me have a friend in our brother. Come out here.
I don't make you know say I'm a family.
Girl, watch me and you. Watch me and you think you done yet? Watch me and you.
Easy yourself, man. Come go.
Me have to go left the money.
Come go. Come go on up, man. Come go on.
I don't understand how go on.
Yo, my girl, easy now, my girl. I'm not tell
you know, my girl. Not even back from you.
Yo, come in, man. How can I eat that device, man? Let's come go on down, man.
If a man did want you, you're in this position, yeah.
Girl.
Girl, you don't even have time for your picnic. So when you're there with the man, you don't have no time for your man, girl. If you cook this clean, it cock with a stray. Dirty girl, go ahead.
Big fried girl, I can't run off your mouth. We are going to go down there. I'll show me a bit. I had Glenn, watch me and you.
Right there.
You're not open the door, let me know lock back the door.
You know, say I trouble.
You know?
They will know. Generally. You live house with them, man. You live with that room, man. So you come over and just in my house.
No, we can't come over in your own.
Listen to me. You probably baby, I think I baby come to talk about. May I come there, babe? May I come there?
The baby, alright.
Hello.
Go hide. Me not hide. Me baby mother. Come if you go hide. You all tired and me not hide.
No, man, I'm baby mother come and I'm about baby.
Your baby mother coming at night for reason about baby.
Well, that's what she said. So, you want to see a conversation too?
If that's okay with you, come sit down.
Where's the baby now?
No, sit down yourself.
As
times.
Look at you're my lord. Come on.
You know, say this again from bad to worse, so I'm not even laugh.
Hey, remember, say me have money in this place, you know.
Yo, come on, man, top up. Come.
Remember, say me have money in this place.
Come, go on home.
Come, make sure you are sleep.
Me know your man number, you know.
Me no business.
Let me call.
Come.
Go on.
Good night. I am money now. I'm going to see what you're going to do tonight.
Put on some water on the face.
So water,
Put on hot water.
calm meal. Me I go put in that the water there and burn up the
Put on some water
girl in
on
here tonight.
Come on, man. Come on.
Take your woman out of the house. What kind of man you be? Put on your foot.
This man don't know it. Come. Body, come. Come on, stop going to the man. Come on.
It come like me have to go start take for your man. Because it come like a that you want.
Take over, man.
Wait.
Girl.
You go on, so?
She don't even know
And
this
yo,
thing.
what the baby? What the baby?
Not doing my baby. Me can't go with my baby for
I must say true, me can't
But listen,
see
your man,
the
can't
girl.
no man, me ain't not there, you're not supposed to stay here, you live with the man. How you there?
Me have money in the house.
More give back the money.
Alright,
Alright, me go give back the money.
Bed that for me.
More give back the money.
TV ya for me.
More give back the money.
Me
Yeah?
can't say something. Me
Yeah.
have to move out. Because
Yeah,
this
stop.
not
Pick
work.
her fast.
Go on like kitchen, me a come. Go on like kitchen, me a come. You can't come here like this, yeah. It's me a come back over here, come and disturb you.
Come.
Yo, stop from me. Come go out the door.
Me no go to
When
How about that?
I'm sick, I'm tired of this.
I know where I stay, but listen. I'm a baby mother. I know she stay. Me and her now get back. None at all. I should stay. I was shocked like she mad. Look like she not taking no medication or nothing. So I put her out. She gone now. She go home to her man. She live with her man. I know like say she not live with her man. Baby the man don't come from work yet, so she I go sometime. But she need me one more though. One night I made me go down and take a restraining order against him. But she be able to come and she have to carry to come and do. So it kinda tricky fight.
Me can say something? You can allow me to talk and say something? Imagine you in my shoes.
Can't wear your shoes because I will never put on your shoes. So when me I say me no borrow girl clothes. No. You get me mixed up, you know. Come again. Me no wear woman clothes. So me can't put on your shoes. I put on nothing for you. You keep your wear your own. I'm gonna tell you something though. I'm not the one causing this drama. I don't like drama. On my thing that I should know to, but she just try to get under your skin. I usually try to create some stuff. No, I say she go on with her madness, but please, just forgive me and see with me.
That's all that's alone, please. If me in there with one man, me there with one next man, right? You have a child for the next man, and the man come and antagonize you. You're living in my house now, and the man come and my house and antagonize you. How would you feel?
Well, that won't happen. Come on, live at your house in the first place with no man to come time. No, I live at girl yard. I live at woman yard. I live in my own yard. I'm a man. So,
Yeah, no man.
but even though I cannot hurt my baby mother because I take care of the baby. If me hurt her, who take care of the baby?
You not have to hurt her. To put her in her place.
You see me have to leave her and put her out the door a while ago.
Me never seen nothing I wasn't.
Yeah, that's why I come in and want you see that me have behave like that. So what to say when I time if me get you pregnant and me left, I said Jamie will come with you to the next baby
Let
mother.
me ask you something. Your child is 6, right?
Yeah.
So if me and you there for the next, how much years?
10 years, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And for your picking at 10.
And so me have to go endure for your baby mother
No.
antagonize me?
Is it true in a new relationship, she not get it yet. But wait till I say I put a ring on your finger and you have twin in your belly said, so you say she not get it, she gonna get it. So for now, she does play up like she not understand, say she move on, she live with man. Me move on, me live with you. You understand? But so many times she doesn't know with her. But please, I apologize on behalf of what she go on with. Alright? So no worry about that. Go a bit first. Smell like it up on the road. Come.
Me and wife there, man, I go on easy. Marika, this is my friend from high school, you know. Tia.
No.
Marika, you know.
Your friend, your girlfriend, she's a... Me I'm nervous. Never know say the girl I them.
You know her?
Oh yeah, just me see her, yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man, long time I don't see you though.
Be there old man.
How?
Well, me and that's it. So one day.
Then what do you know?
Yeah, I know her.
Ish.
And she, me, the baby father talked to me.
Oh, you know her good then, man.
I know her good. She just attacked my baby father, that's it.
Oh.
Yeah, can you hear?
Oh, yeah. Take time with him, you know. Yo, I pray.
Are you me there to wait for me now?
Yeah.
I swear. I need to talk to you.
Yeah.
Cause I can't believe to be there. I am woman. You see me? I can't believe to be there really a woman.
Oh.
You see man I'm there with our baby father. Right? And a girl that have text said for me.
Are you?
But me tell her say every time me care, even if me carry her daughter go to school, and she call the man, you know, and tell the man say she not available, you know.
Yeah.
And me carry the little girl go to school, or me pick her up, me carry her go to sports day, and the girl come fight me off.
Well, me know she fire is still, you know, but I'm not really right still, you see me? You see it? So you see her like real small still. But she and my woman and you over here, yeah, our daughter there. You see me? So I go and do, I want to just second thing for a level, man. I'm not for back and forth some things, man.
You see your woman now?
Yeah.
And she do what the woman have put me through and mash up my relationship. You understand what I say?
Yeah, no, I'm sorry for that.
And I never knew say this woman have a man. The way she has gone. It's like she still love her pity for something. I can't understand.
What?
Mama see me up the road and I stone me with I take up
Right,
big stone.
I never hear after that.
She not gonna tell you.
She
She
not
not
tell
gonna
me.
tell you, you know.
I never hear after that.
She not gonna tell her brother
She
that.
tell me.
Yeah, that
She not tell
laugh
me.
you like
What
you
me I gonna do it,
think a
like-
joke thing, brother.
It's a reunion this for me and you, you know, and at the same time, I hear say, you know, so what I go do, I have to just laugh, yeah. Take what dick to make joke.
You trouble people, you know.
Oh, you're cool for an end time, man.
So maybe she'll feel some me a coward or something, but I'm glad because I tell you, kind of glad say, realize say you're a woman, but me I tell her say vengeance in my heart, me I tell her.
I reason with her still. easy with that. And she feel like you either abuse the youth or something. You know, you're not that type.
Nothing me not do.
Yeah, because she always look happy so when she run her stepmother and things, she's still happy. Yeah, wherever she there, she good. Because anytime I see her, she always happy. So. Yeah, in real life.
No, sir, you forgot to take my number. You have a phone for you?
Take for me.
I don't even have my phone right now.
I see you, man. I see you.
I in my ear and believe I know, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, me see and I see a word. Isn't it? Alright, look more.
Alright, my G. Yeah. American is easy, you know. Yo! What's that? Yeah, fast funny people in business for life. Hey.
Hey, wow. Yeah. Good?
Yeah.
Never could do any hot man.
Look, so you have a long day. How was the day?
Pretty hectic, you know. But it could happen. But I forgot to go back and solve tomorrow, but there will be some.
So you not get through?
No, I have to go back tomorrow. When done, my camera go for you, baby.
Oh, speaking of, you know, you remember the girl with it pass with when we have to take a taxi? Classmate. She said she your baby stepmother, you know. But she said yeah, give baby trouble, she want her off.
No, me?
You see her, man?
No, sir, I'm not getting no trouble. Anytime my grandmother pick up my daughter, she always go and like, she want to give me attitude and, you know, no, I'm not getting no trouble.
So she a pushy vibes.
And she always a pushy vibes.
I want to live good still, you know. But you know, you're the love of my life, and me and her go way back, like school days, you see me? Yeah, man. But she said, boy, you know, give her ease. And she said the function will go on down at the baby school. And she said she bring the baby. And you go on with one bag of chips. And I said, oh. I said, that don't sound like you still, because that's my dad tell her.
I know me. I know me.
But if you know if that look bad, I'm going to start with this.
I believe that.
It's possible.
And she always push the vibes.
And you're just going at it.
I'm just getting a little vibes. I don't know.
Oh, that first still come on. I don't know.
What you mean? I'm not change. Hello? Shanti?
Hello?
You hear me?
Yeah, man.
Girl, me say, I want to go and girl go beat her.
Talk up with that girl, I can't hear so good.
Girl, me say, I want to go and girl, you go beat her.
When today?
Right, no.
How is part today?
Meet me out of my door.
Alright, no.
Right, no, Shanti, hurry up.
Alright, girl.
Aye. she there? Oh no! Lady! Come on then, come on, girl! Hey, girl! Oh, that's some more, yo! Hey, girl!
Girl, come on.
Come on!
Come on.
Come on, Tessa! Oh, that's a while.
Wanna come here?
Man, you're killing police. Come on, Monica. What
Hello.
Hello.
What going, babe?
No, I am babe, me tired of this.
What to you?
Your baby mother and her friend come up and come beat me.
What are you tell?
I swear. I'm tired of this. I'm tired.
Alright. Call the police. Number one now, you know, call the police, press charges. Call the police, press charges.
Which fire there?
You know, so right now, I'm up on the road. But I'm forward in time and I'm soon come.
Yeah, if you come rub my back hurt me.
I come here, go to a station. Then I carry go to a doctor. That means I can press charge and lock up in backside. May I come?
Alright.
Let's start going with them. Come on. Come on now.
Take time with me now.
Yeah, but take time. You see all the while they watch Karachi movie. You don't know who are in the eye.
And two of them.
But still, broke up one. Broke one of them hand, broke one of them foot. Come on, man.
2 pound 1 and murder.
Yeah, but if you know what part to lick them in them face, you would conquer them. Come get them at station. Because I tell her, so I done one already, you know. So I carry go down, so I go down a station, then I carry go down a doctor. I go to a doctor first. Go to a doctor first. How are you going this morning, sir?
I'm going to leave my cousin. Oh.
Alright.
I want a problem? Come in what you say. You know what I need that. May I really need
Yo.
yeah. We forgot. Wait. We forgot what you were saying like. Sorry.
Anyway.
You know, said differently, you know. Still, me and if we have a conversation.
You wanna know, you see the money here, wait there. See the money here? Somebody will check your feet in the evening. If not, because them if you go pay the bill down. So if you're on the road, take the bill out also and pay the bills them. When buy a taxi you can come and give it and you take a change out of it and pay them. But if you not come and you're like you go on the road, pay the whole of the bill them. The light bill, the water rate, and the cable bill. But that's not all. So I don't worry fully, but you want extra grand upon it because I just say, like you love the yard and you move on and the much I don't want you the baby mother no more. Drama. You know I don't like it. I'm sorry I'm getting involved in it still. You understand so?
Me need to talk about that. That me want to tell you.
Yeah man, no worry, but I soon fix something busy. I'll take out a restraining order but she don't come back and something at all. More than the baby, she just have a baby and go on the shop. Alright?
You need to come sick and tell. So where you go planning to today go do?
Well, I have a lot of things to do. I'm going to attempt to, you know what I mean? So, the internet now work because it bill won't pay. So, like I said, that's what I mean when we get pay everything. Alright? Come here, some work. If you look on my computer, I want to get the printer up too, so no. But the internet needs you up.
Alright. May I go link my cousin and then when I come back, me match up it.
Alright, so
yeah,
do what you have to do. Alright?
Yeah.
Kinda hungry but make it done.
So you go up on the road and I get something.
What more though? Why is the cable not coming down here? Did you not pay internet bill yesterday?
I don't remember if I tell them. I get to pay because I did have something very important to come out. I get one call and I did half a deal with it.
I know, say yesterday I actually come in. I'm in mind of the power of things. You know, say, I go look for my baby mother at hospital. Somebody beat him up. Bad. Broke his foot. But he can't walk on it still because the bone was fractured. Like they kick my foot and it fracture. You know what I mean? So, that's that. But one of the wickedest things we see happen though, when we watch the Tell Live Vision, I'm gonna see in a TV channel carry the news when we see happen down at the hospital. This is when I go to the hospital. It's a good thing we did in the right time. It was a madman. I turn up in a one pregnant woman belly. Yeah, in the hospital. So, I try to talk to the doctor them. Nobody now really talk to me, because first thing, nobody know what is accountability. Oh, you have mad people I run up and down in the hospital. So my baby mother couldn't get hurt, I must say, I have a daughter with her. Right? I tell you, something wrong with that country. Something wrong with that country. So, because when you look on the tell line, when you look on the health minister, they know, just because he hand broke or whatever, even a luxurious accommodation while everybody is in Jamaica, you know what I see in the hospital when they admit you? A one flatbed, barely one press out pillar. None of the on the side like you see, like you think a movie, I throw down, you lay down so until you're dead and then dash you out. I saw the hospital around. Yo, rough still. But different. What you say now? Actually, that's my brain. If I'm at work today, I just that me and try understand. If we are living as human beings, are we living like animals? The place is better than that in one sense, but different from that. Tell me what you say now. Why the bill not pay different now?
They have something to deal with.
But we give the money specifically to deal with bills. So if you have something to deal with, tell me you have something to deal with.
You never know when we get to our emergency call me get. You
What kind of emergency?
My mother sick.
Alright, if your mother sick, everything good. But next time, do a man. Call me and tell me what you do. Because a man will just draw some money and you pay it. Well, no, you're not paying bill. I'll make it buy you to pay the bill. No rest about that.
So you say you beat up your mother?
Yes, somebody beat her up bad. But she good, man. What people, some of them sorry for are the female who can't help himself when they admit a weak out and almost pass out and madman tip up on him belly. You understand? It could have been you down there, pregnant, and the madman do something worse. But one thing I tell them down there, say, them go on, man. If them a cover it up, one idea when I madman go text and the one I doctor, one I nurse them. And then them go see the what me I talk about. And down there, they try to put the minister, beg it turn up in our head down there. Them would also say the healthcare system need fixing. Because nobody talk about it, or you go fix. It needs to fix. It don't need to happen. The mad people stay one side and the sensitive stay one side. So the mad need help. You can't blame the mad man for what he do, you know. You can't blame for what he do. Because I'm an unsound mind. But you not even know. So in time, let me see I jump on in about politics. They jump about politics and man have a buzz. It's a day when me pack your things and me left. And so me stay. Me don't want the politics in here so. Because you know have nothing to help we as Jamaican. Look for when them a run country. What have they done to help the people them really? But I see them taking praises for the people them who specifically stand up and fight for themselves. I don't see them as nobody are grown and search people who are do good and strengthen them. Them only want to take a picture with you and do good and shake your hand. Oh, you're doing good. You're building the country. You're making us rich. Them now comes to you when they don't on your face. Look on Valiant now. Valiant, I do, what you call it? I pay one traffic ticket. And TVJ down there panning with traffic ticket. Look how much get a youth in the street who no boss set to the one the attention. Because Shiny came up and told you them a DJ on the corner were bad like a yard. And make them can't help themselves. You not do that. Because that not gonna make you no news. But you're smart, you're not smart. If you go and do that and them you become big, it's like you that boss them. Yo, you not even know, you know. You not want to talk about that, I get too spiritual. I told me not have a TV if you watch me and chat so much.
Wow,
alright, no much I will have all the rest.
Just hurry up and make sure you give me money.
No, me not give the money. Me not give the money, but I'll make somebody pay tomorrow.
Make this somebody pay, because I can't take it chatting with you, you know. When you're ready for chatting and done.
No, let me tell you one thing, I know this is a country. And you're typical. You're a typical Jamaican. You see when your people not talk about sauce and you could mix up, your ears not willing to listen. But make me talk about something about mix up and pam and who do this and who do that. Your ears said so. But once righteousness starts speak, you're tired. And it's bad. Me I play reggae music most of the time not even shift. But make your ears down in you start. You start galang like in a spirit. You need to get back to no morality, you know. No morality and humanity. Gone!
Oh. Yeah, listen to me. I don't know what to say. Because you see, me can't take you and feel chatting right now.
Well,
so.
You see me chatting right now, you know, say, the work that I do, I try to do and work like MC nothing. You know, so I could take on the introduce people on stage. You know what I mean? I make a money, yeah, man. Nobody bungy because if you don't pay the light bill, you don't pay the light bill, then work to the water rate pay. Every time it can't flush, you can't live in here. Because you know you go to business when you go to the bathroom.
I pray now.
I'm going to tell you. Clean up the place now.
So where you get so much empty back from?
But it's a long story, yeah. It's a long story.
Well, I'm come for all a reason, though. One serious reason to me, not even depend no joke. Because, why? You remember a girl where Mel is a tell about what it attacked me?
Yeah.
The girl no stop come on me yard. And yesterday the girl come on me yard, she and her friend pay a big stone in her house and sitting. Fire in the home, come there, knock down the place, and if you come out and this and that, I'm tired of it. I don't know what else to do. I swear to God, I don't know what else to do with the girl.
Right now, I carry on young girl in man. I'm down the whole shop and I'm down the whole shop. I got.
You not have to say a word, can me see. As me come me see it say, I not have one, but
So right now, I'm just
why me have a way to fix that? But I pay 100,000 right now to beat up the girl. Right now. Would I pay that the money?
You serious? Because right now I plan to carry a young girl that I could for money. Because I want back some money to stack on me. Yeah, give me it. Give me money, buddy.
No man, I want you suffer sick. I can't get any job not done yet. If I have half 5 I can't give. Like, you're not back around.
A joke thing here for now.
I don't find a joke
So
thing.
give me money, I'm going to beat up a girl for you and you.
Let me ask you something. When you work before you get paid.
No enough time to take down payment there, but just give me money now, you see situation on me now. And I like say, I never squander out the money. And you could have come back and get back some money at time. Just easy man. Give me money, I'm going to beat up a girl.
I make you get the money. I don't go feed money. I make you get it.
Do you?
Don't worry yourself, man. I make you get it. You see, I'll go for the money I know. You see, in the meantime, I have a page girl and hungry crying, brother. By the time you're done hungry crying, me reach back and you get your money. I don't know, joke thing with the car.
Alright, go on, go on.
Alright.
Brother.
How are you?
Lean up there, brother. See them. See them up there. Alright. We get money to mash you up.
Who did that?
Me get paid for mash you up. Yeah? I said if you don't have the money, 100,000 me get 200,000 that more for you. Sit down up there, you know. Alright, sit. Lean up, you know. Before me. When I talk to you, you know what I'm saying now.
Oh, you have money for this.
Much money, yeah.
No money.
You have to have 200,000.
No.
Alright. The thing say I joke, the thing with the pandora. So when I say action, push out one of your foot then. If you know what, if you lick in your head. Yeah. Because you don't have the money then. Me that save you, you know. But I forgot broke. Push out. Action. Tapping knife, man. Tapping knife. I forgot give you one in the head because you don't have the money, you know.
I should have buy the extra for me. Buy it from one the other day. Alright, I soon call you back because you run come on me yard for something, yeah? That's how much of it came for me? You sure? You know no video?
Woman put them something there on my phone for you. You joke around, man. I am here to come for me up or something.
What do you calm down, man? You can check you when I'm gone. Alright, money.
Hold on. You check you when I'm gone. You can't scam hour. Easy yourself, man. But check you when I'm gone. That man must be big head, but see that? Oh, hold on. Still have to short it in one little something.
No worry yourself, I don't start it up, man.
Easy, man. Because you know,
you
can't do something by yourself and it can't laugh.
Hey, I don't know what wrong with you, you know?
Just go on, I'm not telling nobody to say
me. Not a word.
Alright.
Alright.
To blow. Oh, what happened? What happened to you?
Somebody just attacked me on the road.
Just attack you just so?
Yes. We did a picture. We did a picture right in this.
So how much of them?
Somebody.
One. Much up, so how man? So you don't see your face?
In therapy face with kerchief.
You don't make him out, you know? How you look? Slim, fat?
He's slim.
Dark skin or what?
Dark.
And you don't report yet? We have to go do something about this, man. You know what? Are you sure you're not with nobody? No, man. Something right there, man. And you don't rob you or nothing?
You know, no, in just this, somebody pay him $100,000 to beat me. And if me give him 200.
Oh man, we have to go do something about it, man. Don't understand that. Oh man, we have to go find out how I go on, man. Big woman. Let's get some rest. I ask some question in the street and see what can go on here. Let's get the rest, man. I go down there back tomorrow. You do a brain scan and thing. Yo. Who that? Same thing. Back to do.
What one?
The ear.
Yes, I can tell you.
There is something very fun. Oh boy.
I see a woman down there, so. Yes, I'm going to talk on something.
I'm not friend of no mind too much, you know.
No. And she had told me about she miss her baby father and asked me if I can set link for her and something back.
Say God, man.
God no.
Really, you see. I know so one girl that tell me say she keep on and come there like she push some vibes against she, the girl where they with her baby father now.
Yeah. You know she saying like in baby father same way. Because she attempted to set link for her or something back and she can't do without the boy and the pitney and I want her. I'm going to tell about her a long time still.
Know yourself, man. Your ice are melting.
What do you mean by if your ice are melt?
Time I run out now, man. Know yourself. There'll be things I say I go because yeah, first impression of this I getting them because from the girl that tell me, she say the girl always a push vibe, but it don't really make no sense.
The girl that push vibe, your woman a push vibes?
No, she said the stepmother always a push vibes when she like go down there for color card and thing, but it don't really add up because like you just come pick up your daughter, she will not push vibe, you know, and you know see where our daughter unhappy or nothing like no abuse or going in a yard still, you see me?
So like me come to that now, what can go on for me and you?
No, I think good long time. Yeah, I upgrade the rank man.
So you can do something?
Of course. Full speed, isn't it? But I think we'll see like other things in the car are the feeling still.
But me can go on pan side there, she slip, we can slide in, that's true.
Yeah.
That's
what we've been do. I say,
long time, yeah, I know so we can fully up now. And long time, yeah, watch her not to the things she come want you. Yeah, I know.
And then when I get my same thing again, same drama.
Drama now go to the show, she photo me, she feel back.
That man like here. I do it still. I do it. Too much drama going around here right now. I know. Can't bother. And then sometimes I wonder, alright, kinda shameful, but like, you know, we there at night time and I do a little thing. And then it come like in the baby father name just the panic bring for slip out time out and then catch it back. Isn't it?
I can come over later and call your name panic bring. So we asked him to come and check your back later.
Of course.
Like make your name the panic bring.
Of course.
Yeah, I can't have a beard or something with them to come check your back. So what should I know? Yes, I can come check your back before she come. But I don't really care about she still. I love my friend, but it's you know, it's a long time I put it up so. I come go still, you know. You go check your back later.
Alright, no more around so. Tell you really for a man, you can just come and go so.
Yeah, but you don't look a piece.
A big piece more.
You know what I want to tell?
What that? What that? Yo. How that? How that?
You know something I gone far and you're not of the place.
Michael,
I used to call look for.
I mean, she can't look fun, look all at me and knock on the door. I take so long to open the door.
Michael, remember it's very sensitive, girl.
If you're there, bathroom, Shanti in her room, she could have come open the door.
So why? I don't know. No like
Not like for me, I say, what you are doing at my place?
Remember, see, you
My man
me
there,
with
me
something
not
to you.
there. If me not there, you're not supposed to there now.
Girl, the man did around this so.
Me not understand what you are saying. What me are going to do? I'm going to sit down on the bed. That's what I'm going to do. Because me not understand. Me not there. You come here. My man there. You come now. You still now.
Remember, some of this, you did something called link your girl, like me come do.
You can't link me. But me not in her house. Shanti, me not come out.
It is sometime-ish. She said that somebody want a man. You're saying to deal with something for you and now you're going like it is sometime.
Me not there here. You're not supposed to there here. My man there here and you. Me not understand you. How my friend there. Me not understand how my friend not supposed to in her house. And me not there here supposed to tell me to go on.
You tell her to go on and she said she wait for you. You tell her to say you soon. She go and check.
Something about you know. But it's alright. Something about you, me not understand.
You should go and look for man.
All the family she go look for, she not fit in her house. It's supposed to tell me to go on until me come, she call me.
You soon come, me just make she go and chill out and wait. No, you're your friend like that, man. I'm deal. Just me did just go and go and chill.
Hello.
Girl, what you want?
I want to talk to you.
What you could have want to talk to me about now? What wrong with you? Come here, sir, cause the last time you come here, you come call me out and your friend come beat me off. So you come in here, sir. Listen, don't call me bed. Don't. Oh, Jesus Christ, that who set up on me, girl?
We're going to talk to you.
You know, if you learn to go people, I go plot on your body pan them bed and sit chair there.
Yard. This is my yard.
Where you come to talk to me? Me give up.
Anyway, you come to talk access. If you can go pick up your baby from school, because as you can see, if for another year, and as you can see, my head bandage up and my foot bandage up. I have one scan to go to right, and I'm going to pick up a baby from school for me and keep her. Because my father not there, and my boyfriend gone from the road.
Mama, your life sad. Now that day you come beat me this so how much you see me up there so you attack me. How much time again you come and now you they come for me look sympathy for you? Eh? I remorse you want me show you? That you want?
You do it or you not do it? Which one?
Me not do it.
Simple. And yes or no.
All when your head bandage up and your foot bandage up, you still a get trouble, my girl. I want do you? Me not do nothing.
I don't do it.
Alright, come here.
Girl, me in a pain.
Me I go do it. But you know why me I go do it? Because I love that little girl like I'm my own. And you're too blind to see because you still love Glenroy.
You never have a man and you still love them. Eh?
You move on, the man move on with your life. The man there with me, there with your man, and you still there look problem in my life. But it's alright. Enough of that. Me go for her and keep her. Just because me love Glenroy and me love the little girl like me own. And not because of you. So nobody feel say me and your friend and me and your bench and batty.
Listen, me and a bench and no batty. Me not come up look no friend. Me just ask you a favor. If you do it, you do it. If you don't do it, you don't do it. And you say you will do it. Okay?
Your head not hurt him. I can't gurgle up your head, so your head not hurt him.
Because it hurt me.
I can't fake you sitting in this chair or what?
Fake you sitting in this.
What do you? Your man beat you?
No man can beat me. And somebody catch me off guard.
Yeah.
And that's none of your business. Later, I just soon have to go to the baby.
Then I broke you up good. I know you should have done a hospital. But they come on me and film man.
So we are going to do.
The team know that try to talk to you, but me don't know.
There's nothing we can do. We just have to go try and move on.
Look like that the woman that tying down her something, girl. As I left, so she just jumping, you know.
Not even one deal.
Look like say they have that woman there already studying it.
We feel so then do that.
Because they come out, then she jump in. I don't know. So we see you go do?
You just there think about it.
You don't want me to talk to him for you?
That make no sense again. Because you look like you love that the girl then. And the girl love me that.
But remember say, the man rape me, you know, so I can talk to him and see what he would have said he would have want. Yes, I want to come back, come tell you no more. I remember say, baby father, baby mother, that the badness still, you know.
Make it done.
Alright then.
You move on, so me try this and move on. Me a first class, me just work on him because me know say I really love me and doing something there. So me work on him.
Oh, I love you.
Yeah, you love me and walk out.
Well, if I say if you love you, I love this, I'll make it time to yourself. Alright then.
Yeah. Now go and go cook.
Cook. Alright.
Yeah, man. No, I'm pretty man. I know if you tell her something, isn't it? Come meet you up in the 19. So we can get some real time together.
Yeah, man, just tell her say you're going to spend 1 week or you have something to go deal with her or whatever, you know.
I know if you tell him, man. Alright.
I'm sorry saying you can't come spend more than 1 week with me.
In time, man. Wait, no? Patience. Patience is a virtue, man. Wait, man. Gosh.
Alright then, you just come back here.
Yeah, she's soon coming to so.
Alright,
Thank you, man. I show you.
Alright.
So, man, my next 2 hours, my weekend.
Next 2 hours?
Yeah, me I go left work and I got pack some things and stuff.
Alright.
So go on, get the place ready for you, huh?
Alright.
I'm so far be. That's why my cousin just flying down to go pick him up at the airport, you know. Yeah, I'm have to check in our hotel. So I'm going to pick him up and I go for about a week.
A week?
Yeah, man. I'm going to on my east side and checking me in properly and everything, you know. I have to go drive him down or something. I'm there for a week.
Alright, the thing just be safe and stuff, you know.
Sure. But you couldn't be there back.
1 week, I'm a long time, you know, for me 1 day, you know.
Are you quint? There back. I know that they couldn't fly other quint. Yeah, man, I go check out shot. I go pull out some more than I pack 5 suit of clothes in me. Oh, that's so nice.
Alright, I'm going to do that now. So when you left now?
I don't rent one car.
My friend tell me that she had great to, you know, back up the countryside.
Which friend? Slimaz?
Yes, Slimaz.
Oh. So you're not going to company?
No, sir. I go boring.
You took your time to yourself. Sometimes that good, you know.
Part of life. Anyway, I hope I can something to do.
Alright, yes.
Yeah, man. I want another something, sir.
Yeah.
Let me see.
See already. I'm going to collect up the car because let me just check out. You know when you're ready. Right, babe. See you later.
Bye. Yeah. Over that. Over that. Shanti. But Shanti tell me something, Father.
Dumb. Are you in America?
Yeah.
Well, you have been under arrest.
For what?
The assault of Tia. Where your friend there?
My friend not there.
Me you say 200 do it now.
My friend.
Come, move up. Turn around, turn around. Hands up in the air and we can't see them. You get see if I even breathe around there, I shot you.
So they can't deal with me, see?
You treat people like dogs?
We don't treat nobody like dog, officer.
Next one.
So my baby father know about this?
The baby father was the one who made the report.
My baby father?
Come, move.
So I give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Yeah man. So what a thing I go on we're up on the verge now of what do a restructure, a reshuffle, you know what I mean? Because a lot of things has done wrong, a lot of things has gone wrong. But we're not to talk, but action. We're go see in action, right? So maybe I go and chant 2 Psalms, you know what I mean? Psalms 91. You know what I mean? So and I will reverence, I will meditation, because it's more than what meet the highs, yeah, what it take, you know what I mean? So big up to all of the fans in the street. I say do it for you, not give up. Because it really hard sometimes. But Jah always make the sun shine, make the rain fall. You know what I mean? So saying this to say that we are refix the thing, go back to basic, and kick up the thing again. So, but I put some things in place, you know what I mean? So we have a lot of things to talk about differently, but we're not reach that conversation there yet. So we soon start touch back some of the live them. You got some improvement and some things are going, because we have to look into what have we learned. Otherwise, from black people are sell out. What have we learned different from that? You know what I mean? So we have to go showcase what we learn over the period of time. You know what I mean? Because I have a vision from my start, the movie. You know what I mean? And the vision still on track. You know what I mean? It might look blurry sometime, but we don't worry sometime. You know what I mean? Because we work with the one who make the sun shine. You know what I mean? So we don't worry. So just stay tuned and see what we go do. You know what I mean? Remember say the donation them is still needed. I haven't get no donation for the longest of time still, because too much people come up where make it thing look like it's a scamming thing. You know what I mean? So it kind of make things shaky, so it make me even feel afraid to even company and I say certain things as a rare. You know what I mean? Because it does too much sometimes. You know what I mean? But to me it's never a hustle. It's a mission of what needs to take place in Jamaica, and we want to make the movie thing a reality, right? It's not everybody share the same idea. You know what I mean? Most people look for personal gain. Well, I not search for personal gain. I search for the realness of what Jamaica should be like. You know what I mean? And knowing how black people stay. Black people always have the crab in a barrel. Crab in a barrel lifestyle, and a crab season now. So me I wonder why for more day, but a crab season. So it's a crab in a barrel style. You know what I mean? We not talk too much things. But me just say crab in a barrel lifestyle. And where they have to build a thing and tear it down. You know what I mean? So the donation is necessary. You know what I mean? But me have a different reasoning for all with me sponsor them and me donor them. So me will have my number them miss up from what day. Everything that's what on my phone, I don't know. But me can't, none of the number them, no picture, no video on my phone, everything gone. Clean. You know what I mean? Me never do no backup or nothing, so you know it go. So right now, who they have my number already? You have to recontact me now and give me back your name and everything. Because I have none of the number them again. Every number gone. You know what I mean? But me have a new something that come up now. But it's a serious mission because I learned that everything I talk, you know, you have people that pray against you and I try go against when I try to accomplish. So I don't really want to talk to everybody and anybody. You know what I mean? So they do one of them who wants to see the thing reach forward, who knows how to link me personally. And then we talk after the year. You know what I mean? Because one of my friends say, walk with a big stick, you know, in the dark, more than talk. Because, you know, it go. And everybody wants to see goodness overall. And that me have to deal with that. I can't talk to everybody. Everybody have them personal life to live and everybody have them personal things to do. So I can't speak to everybody, but I can speak for myself and what JAMMIWOOD out for do. Because from the start, you have seen a growth in movie in this region. You know what I mean? From Richard Brown films to PS films, you know, and more. Plenty that you see, everybody have channel now. So it wasn't my original plan, but when life give you lime, they make lemonade. I don't know if I can. We have lemon in Jamaica still. I don't know. I when sour orange give, we make sour orange drinks. So if I saw be case, I saw it there. But at the end of the day, apart from YouTube, there's a different platform where me reach a work on now. You know what I mean? To get the thing that get some official work done. We have fall off in where we should have shown what we have learned over the time, but the thing is lack of corporate. You know what I mean? So when you do it from grassroots, you're not gonna have it so easy. So I can tell you, it hasn't been an easy road. It has been easy for who could sit down and watch you do it. For them to be okay today. Burn it down, burn it down. Yeah, man. But it never easy for I to do it. To make it this far. You know what I mean? And we have plenty more place to go. We haven't started yet. Because this not we not reach part of the dream yet. You know what I mean? Remember me tell us a JAMMIWOOD city. You know what I mean? That's the vision. You know what I mean? So that's time on God. You know what I mean? So whether you go and hold it off, now Gideon I go and hold it still. So give thanks to all of the fans them from that time to this time. You know what I mean? The amount of people I can't remember everybody, but I can remember some of the people them. So I can start from Miss Williams, big up herself, burn it down to the ground. I can start from Jules. I can start from Empress G. They are the first one to kick it off from them time there. So we still have to remember the foundation. We start from Tats and Franco, you know what I mean? And plenty other more. Even the producer them who produced movie with back in the days, you know what I mean? Big up on themselves, same way. Overall settings go straight back, you know what I mean? Media vibes, you know what I mean? We have so much people, you know what I mean? I can't remember everybody's name, but big up on yourself though, because you know yourself, you know what I mean? So like we said, we are go back, we back on the road again. So as I look for new female actresses, you will see the number. You see number there, you just see number run straight through. So and the music now. So when you hear music in the recording and you hear it kind of annoying. Yes, I know it's annoying, but it's only one way we can put up a movie. I have to put the music on like make it louder than the music we are playing next door. Because where we shoot now, next door is a bar. You know what I mean? So the location is not so hot, but we are looking to get a location where we're now going to have the noise next door. Because if as long as it play music, right? So that now, when you hear the music them under the movie, it's not our intention. It's not our intention to annoy you guys. But we have no choice than to put the music there for copyright purposes. Because there's a song playing next door at the bar where you hear it in our recording. So we have put the music there for the drown out. That means if the movie put up and they have them song the night, YouTube go block it. Right? And we want the movie go through. So bear with me for the time being, please. Because we're fighting a war. And we're within a war, it now goes so easy. And like when they're down a Froome side, we have less noise back in the days because there is no road. But with the right on the roadside, I know you hear the truck a pass there. More than one truck a pass. Room a main road the pan. And then the bar the next door. So you go hear well pan nice some of the time. So bear with us, you know what I mean? We're there in our war, just another phase of the war. But I see victory in the makings. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Enough love, big up on yourself. A bad nice street, big up on yourself. Yeah. Give thanks. You know what I mean? Tell a friend, continue doing it. Because we not do it. We want it 100K. We don't know when though, but we're not worried about that. Just continue support. Tell a friend. You know what I mean? Share the page. You know what I mean? Burn it down. Enough respect. One love every time. Let's go.